welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Gargi. Today I came up with another haul. It's not a beauty haul, it's a clothes haul, summer clothes haul. So please watch till the end, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and comment down the favorite tops from this video. And also, we know it's March and it's too hot outside, so we want thin clothes. I have all the thin clothes with me, yet not visible through. We will not get exposed outside, so please keep on watching for the our first top is from the brand Lifestyle. So it's a top, yellow color top. It's a very soothing color. On camera it's looking like bright yellow color, but it's not. It's a very soothing color. It has quotes written on it. It's like, go on, make it happen, runs over roads. So I like this top very much. It's pure cotton. I am in the size medium. Like you can see, I'm in the size medium, and it's a very thin clothes. You can see it's very stretchable, very comfortable to wear. And I got this from a mall, Pacific Mall, the Delhi Heights know the Pacific Mall. I didn't get this online, but you can find it online. If it's possible, I would link all the links this in the description. It's a very soft material. Like मैंने इसको पहन लिया है एक बार दो बार मैंने पहन लिया है, and it's very soft. I feel so comfortable wearing it outside. So you can check this. If I would find any link, I will write all the links in the description box so that you can check out. And yes, I have another top from the same brand. मेरे पास mostly soothing से colors है, like this one soft yellow color, and एक और top आने वाला बस एक ही है जो dark color का, but it's very सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर top है. Next top is this pastel green color top. Very beautiful top, very soft and 100% cotton. You can see how it looks. It has these small white flowers on it. Also it has the orangish, rusty orange stems on it. Like very beautiful top. I have been wearing it since 1 week, means 1 week में एक ही बार पहना है मैंने. So it's very soft. You can wear it outside, you can have it on your house, like जैसे आपको पसंद हो कि आपको घर पे भी ऐसे पहनना पसंद है या बाहर भी. ऐसे मैंने फ्लोरल प्रिंट्स वाले मैंने पहली बार लिया है, एंड आई एम क्वाइट लविंग दिस टॉप. सो इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी स्ट्रेचेबल लाइक द वन आई हैव, द येलो वन आई हैव. वो भी बहुत स्ट्रेचेबल, एंड ये भी आपको बिल्कुल भी टाइट नहीं लगेगा. ऑल्सो फ्रॉम पैंटालून्स. मैंने आपको पहले मेंशन करा था कि एक डार्क टॉप है, बट इट्स वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. इट हैज़ no sleeves, means it is sleeveless. So it's this top. तो कैमरे में ये बहुत ब्राइट लग रहा है, बट इट्स लाइक वेरी प्रिटी बर्गंडी शेड. वहाँ पे कैमरे में आपको रेडिश दिखाई दे रहा होगा, बट इट्स अ बर्गंडी शेड. मैं साइड में इसका ट्राई ऑन वीडियो लगा दूँगी, सो दैट यू कैन चेक कि आप किस जीन्स के साथ कैसे पहन सकते हो. सो नाउ इट्स द टाइम टू give description about this top. So I have this top in the size small. So आप different brands के top try करोगे तो आपको हर top में अलग अलग size होगा. like मेरा जो yellow वाला था वो medium size का है, and this one is of small, because pantaloons have different brands. And suppose if you go to a mall and you will find pantaloons, it's a showroom, and inside that showroom you will get different brands having skirts, frogs, jeans, slippers, footwears, everything you will find in Pantaloons. So it's from the brand Fame Forever. You can see it's from the brand Fame Forever. So I'm in the size small. It's very beautiful burgundy sleeveless top having buttons on the front. It has silver buttons on the front, daisy color, daisy flowers. I like this print very much. It's very soft, it's cotton. मैंने अब तक इसको नहीं पहना है, मैं इसकी ट्राई ऑन वीडियो यहाँ लगा दूंगी, and with the price on the screen. Next up I have my third top from a different brand called Pantaloons. You can find it anywhere. It has their They have their online website also, they are on the malls also, so you can find them anywhere, everywhere it's available. So I have this green top, very beautiful top. It's a type of body hugging top, having a perfect shape according to your body shape. It just enhances that body shape, and I like that about this top. It has ruched sleeves, and the sleeves are of, I think, third quarter around my elbow. So it's also very comfortable. आपकी elbows जैसे cover हो जाती हैं, आपको वैसा कोई feel नहीं होगा. It's also very soft. You can see this very beautiful top. The shape of the neck is square, no oval, no round, no v-neck. It's square shaped neck and it looks awesome. I just don't know how to express this. बहुत सुंदर टॉप है, मेरा फेवरेट टॉप है. I haven't wear it yet. You can see the tag. तो मैंने अब तक wear नहीं करा है. I will put the try on hauls, like try on videos here, and the price on the screen, because I haven't mentioned the price of the previous tops, yellow and the green one. So screen पे मैं सारे अब लिख दूँगी. So haul ends here. Please comment down your favorite top from this video, and please like this video, do subscribe it, and bye bye, we'll see you next time.